I'm not used to this. It's a little cold in San Antonio today. We're about to heat up right now, get a little warm, because we have this super hot deal right here. If you're paying rent for around $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and you're sick of it, this one is for you. This home is massive and it has just been reduced to $473,000. Built by Davidson Homes, and this one has massive incentives as well. These incentives will cover your closing costs and even have your first year to a 3.99% interest rate. That's gonna put your payment right around $3,100 a month. And if you're VA and you have 100% disability, you could even have a payment around $2,300 or $2,400 on this massive home behind me. This 2-story is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and is boasting over 3,400 square feet. This Jennings floor plan is ready for its new owner. Let's go take a look. So this home is fully landscaped, although the grass does look a little dead. We are entering the colder parts of the season in San Antonio, Texas, but the grass is alive. And once it gets a little water, starts heating up a little bit, the grass will turn green. You have your nice stone and brick elevation with this very nice exterior of this 2-car garage that is already painted a nice gray color. Now this door, even the door is a little bit special. It's different, it's not your average standard. This one is filled with smart home technology as well. So you have your keypad, your keyless entry. As soon as you enter the home, there's this space right here to hang your coats, put your shoes. So that way, whenever you enter the home, there's a nice designated place to go ahead and set that down. Off to the right, you have this nice office area or study. You can use it as an office space or a game room or whatever you want. Decent size for pretty much anything. Now, this home is staged pretty nice. You have this couch, these 2 seats, but there's a lot of room in here. So you could fit a sectional or 2 big couches or whatever have you. These big windows letting a lot of natural light right now. The sun is kind of at the highest point, so there's not an incredible amount of light coming in, but decent sized windows. Now this kitchen is pretty special. You have a bunch of custom designs in here, including this deep sink and this actual spout that comes down. Play jump rope with it. No, but in all seriousness, this kitchen is amazing. You have this super large island here in the kitchen in the middle. You have this very good space that comes out for bar stools, as you can see here presented. It comes with all these appliances that you see here. So you have your gas range stove, your vent hood, and then you have your microwave and your stove as well. You have your dishwasher right here. It's an open concept, but you can also have a designated space here for your kitchen area. You got custom light fixtures. Davidson Homes is not your average builder, so you'll get different customization throughout the home. You have your white tile backsplash. It complements these very nice sized gray cabinets. There's a lot of cabinets in here. 1, 2, 3, I'm not even gonna count them all, but there's a lot. And tucked in the corner over here, you have a decent sized pantry area. But take a look at this master bedroom. Downstairs on the 1st floor, right here we have a queen size bed, but you can easily fit a king or a California king. You have your deep soak-in tub where you can come after a long day of work. You got a double vanity sink, but it's separate, right? So you have his and hers, 2 different mirrors as well. And you have a really good size stand-up shower. It's got glass doors with black trim and some gray tile and nice finishes to complement it as well. And off to the right, you have a really good sized master closet as well. I don't think there's enough clothes that you can have to fill up this closet. Oh, I forgot, there's 1 extra bedroom down here as well. So there's 2 downstairs and the rest are upstairs. All that downstairs, you also have this storage closet right here. And you also have your washer and dryer area over here to the right side. And it's a good size, so you can put a table in there. You can fold clothes in there if you want to, with the shelf up top, so that way you can store stuff. Now, per usual, it's time to head upstairs so we can check it out. All right, so the upstairs is pretty crazy. As soon as you come up, as you enter, you have this decent size loft area. And I'm talking about, you could probably fit a sectional, a big sectional at that up here. The size in this thing is crazy. Finishing out the upstairs of this home, you have 3 bedrooms up here, along with the loft area. And remember, this home is over 3,400 square feet. So each of these rooms in the loft area has enough room for whatever you need. You also have a separate bathroom that complements all the bedrooms up here. Let's go check out the backyard. All right, now take a look out here. Super peaceful. And although you have neighbors behind you and to the left and the right of you, this backyard has enough size to have the peace and quiet that you want. It has this large patio area, and it's got a brand new wooden fence all the way around. On this channel, we are dedicated to saving you the most money. This home has been reduced to $473,000. Massive incentives, rate buy downs. If you're looking for a home like this or something smaller or bigger, make sure to send us a text, give us a call, send us an email because we're working nonstop for you guys. If staying up to date with the best deals in San Antonio, Texas is something that you want to be a part of, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time we come out with another video. So whether you're relocating or you're renting and ready for that move, maybe you have a home that you need to sell, we make that process super easy for you. Let us know how we can help, and we'll see you on the next tour.